I'm Tom Martino, and you know, we're going on about a year on this show. We're going to have an anniversary this month. And, you know, one of the first people to come on, Dr. Jim Craig with Summerbrook Dental. And we had great feedback immediately from viewers. They love the family atmosphere. They love just how cool they are. They're two young guys. They have a lot of experience, but they run a place that is just so warm and friendly. They do sedation. They keep you comfortable if you want sedation. Children, elderly, they have a complete family practice. So, Dr. Jim Craig wanted to come back, and he says he would like to give some screaming deals to our viewers because you say they've been so good to you.
Oh, man.
This show has been a great source of quality referrals for you. The people love you. They write to us. So let's, first of all, talk about your practice a little for people who are watching it for the first time or they really haven't taken note.
Yeah.
You have two of you with, of course, a staff, and you and your associate, and you guys treat people from 3 to 93.
Yeah, we sure do. Families and people of all ages. Yeah, we do.
That's one thing I wanted to get out. The other thing is that you use sedation or any level of sedation for comfort, and we're talking about fear.
Yeah, absolutely. I was really excited that today's show is on fear because there are so many people who are afraid of the dentist.
Yeah.
They're afraid of the possible pain or the negative sounds that you can hear at the dentist,
right.
Or they're afraid of being judged. And,
really? Oh, yeah, like, what did you do here?
Yeah, when was your last flossing?
Exactly.
You know, nobody wants to be badgered.
Yeah.
And so we try to take care of that.
All right. And then you have also a family atmosphere. You guys are just friendly. I mean, really. And I know that sounds like, well, what's the big deal? But
yeah.
You are.
Well, good. Yeah, we try to be. When people come, we want them to be comfortable with us and not just comfortable with the treatment we're providing for them.
And the practice has been there for 30 years, okay?
Yep.
Let's talk about right now, get right to it. And I'd like to go through these to see exactly what people are getting.
Okay.
You can choose, any Martino viewers can choose all of the, any of these, you know, any one of these, of course, because if you went in for all of them, they'd go out of business. But let's really go over these, okay? Now, just choose one of them, but listen to these. A free x-ray, free exam, free consultation. This is no small thing, especially if you don't have dental insurance.
Yeah. Now, when you say you can choose one of those, this is one deal. You
right.
can get a free exam and a free set of x-rays and a free consultation.
This is one deal. All three of those is one deal. So you get an x-ray, an exam, and a consultation. Now, we're talking about real x-rays here.
Yeah, a whole set, as many as you need in that first visit. Yeah.
And so, and this is and whether or not they go on with more work, they get all of that free. An exam, a consultation, and x-ray.
We don't want people to have to pay just to find out if they like us or find out what's wrong.
And now we have free teeth whitening for life.
That's right.
What the heck does that mean?
Well, this is the first time that we've ever offered this.
Well, what does it mean?
New patients who come for a cleaning and, you know, their insurance sometimes will cover exam and x-ray. So if they come for all that, we want them to get a deal too. And so we'll give you a free set of custom bleaching trays that you can take home, bleach that you can use over a year or 2 years, however long it lasts.
And then come back for more?
Sure, as long as you're a patient with us, we'll just resupply your bleach at no charge.
So as long as you're a patient, you will always have the trays and the solution or whatever you call it.
Yeah, that's right. The whitening gel.
Okay. Now that's one. Okay, let's go to another one. Now this is just a discount. If you just need a discount for something you don't see here, $100 off.
Yeah.
No questions asked.
That's right. No questions asked.
Any treatment.
Any treatment
in the office.
It can be applied to sedation or anything they want.
And they're not, by the way, adding, I always say that about this show because we check into it. They're not adding $100 just to take it off. Yeah. It's off their regular price. Now, and by the way, you'll see the number and the website below, or the number and the name, and then we'll give out the website. Okay, what is this now? $300 off any implant case.
That's right. Well, so if you need
Talk about your implants because this is a part of your practice that is an amazing thing.
Yeah, it is. Dr. Harmon is our associate who primarily does our implants. I do some of that, but he does most of it. And he came up with this deal, and I thought I said, are you sure you really want to offer that? Because that's a pretty good deal. And what this is if you have a single tooth that needs to be replaced with an implant, you can take $300 off. Or maybe you've got a denture and you'd like to put some small mini implants under it so that you can actually bite an apple and eat steak again and it's comfortable. It's $300 off that case.
Okay. Next one. Now, this to me, when I first looked at it, I said, so what's the big deal here? An orthodontic consultation. I'm only asking that because I don't know what it is. So what does that mean? You just look and see how crooked their teeth are, or what?
Well, we look and see if they're actual candidates for Invisalign, or if they have to go into traditional braces. Maybe they have to visit with an oral surgeon. There's all sorts of types of crooked teeth. And so this is an exam where we just meet the patient and we say, you don't have to have the work done here, but here's what you will need to straighten your teeth.
So it's more than just a cursory look.
Yeah, it is. It's an in-depth look, and we
an
can go over
in-depth
all the
look with suggestions, solid suggestions on what should be done.
And we're not afraid to say you need to visit an orthodontic specialist, which is not us. We're not afraid to say that if that's what you need.
Okay. And the next one with Invisalign. Now, is Invisalign just as good as braces?
If the case qualifies for it, then it is, yeah.
Okay, so what would qualify for Invisalign?
Well, you can't have somebody who needs extensive oral surgery to, break their jaw and move things around. They can't qualify for Invisalign. But the vast majority of crooked teeth cases that we see where someone just wants their smile to look a little nicer, most of those can qualify for Invisalign. And they go a little faster than traditional braces usually. We can accomplish 6 to 9 months usually we could be done.
Okay, so if you go through with an Invisalign case, a complete case, you get $1,000 off of that. What does Invisalign normally run?
It depends on the case. It runs anywhere from $4,000 to $5,500. It's an expensive procedure.
But it's quick. It's almost invisible, and it doesn't take your life away for 5 years.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, really.
Yeah.
So $1,000 off. Now, or free teeth whitening if you simply get a consulting on the Invisalign, right?
That's right. Well, actually, free teeth whitening if you just want to come to consultation on Invisalign,
right.
Sure.
Now, $50 credit if you refer friends or family.
And I put unlimited on this because all these offers are pick one.
Yeah.
But this is one offer where, let's say somebody needs a crown and their out-of-pocket expense is going to be $500. Well, if they have friends or family members that they know are going to be with us, then we'll just keep crediting their account for every one they refer, and it may take away the out-of-pocket expense.
So really, for every person or friend, every person, basically, $50 if they become a patient, $50.
That's right, and it's not a high-pressure situation.
No.
We don't sit you down and ask for names and phone numbers.
No.
It's just people that you send to us.
Now, also, then we're talking about $500 for what? There was a referral on there, too. What is this? If the patient refers 10 friends?
Yeah, this is what we were talking about.
Okay. I'm sorry. You're just adding up the 50. Right.
Yeah,
that could be up to $500, no questions asked. Got it. Now, here's the number, 303-693-1215. 303-693-1215. Summerbrookdental.com. Summerbrookdental.com. And some of the very important things about them, they do most of their lab work in-house, so there's no waiting with temporaries. They have machines that can actually do it right in-house for permanent. They also do their implant with deep scan technology, so they don't have exploratory incisions when they place them, so it's quicker healing time. And there's all kinds of benefits, of course, with the sedation, and you can do whatever level you want. Summerbrookdental.com. Paula?